What's up guys, I'm Darren and welcome to our All Access vlog. Today we have a Ferrari 488 GTB undergoing our Vehicle Reconditioning Program. Before we continue, be sure you're subscribed to our channel and click the bell for notifications each time we post. The Ferrari 488 GTB is a successor to the 458 and generates a blistering 661 horsepower and 760 Nm of torque at 3000 RPM from its twin-turbo V8 engine. The 488 GTB is a 2-year-old pre-owned car and was brought in from the UK. The client opted for a complete vehicle repainting program in its original Rosa Corsa, the most popular Ferrari standard color. Our vehicle repainting program is thorough and exhaustive to meet the expectations of discerning owners who want the best uncompromised factory finish. The 488 was first dismantled with auxiliary body panels removed like doors, bumpers, fenders, and all glass panels including the windshield. The surface was then prepared and skillfully painted by hand with the original Rosa Corsa paint system that was shipped directly from the manufacturer for authenticity. We put the car through our signature detailing program to give both the interior and exterior of the car a finish worthy of the prancing horse. Our multi-stage paintwork detailing program is designed to bring out the ultimate finish from the freshly laid paint, bringing the paintwork to perfection. The interior detailing works include our 5-stage leather feed system to nourish, soften, and protect the leather. As for the exterior coachwork, parts like the suspension, brakes, and wheels are also given the same level of attention as other parts of the vehicle. We then protect the paintwork with our flagship paint protection film, ClearGuard Alpha. Our custom installation ensures that the curves of the 488 are covered seamlessly, leaving no gaps in the PPF system for susceptibility to etching, staining, acid rain, bird lime, and erosion. A custom installation of PPF is also important for a car like the 488 over a pre-cut PPF system, as it was designed with a more complex body shape compared to the 458. The film is also backed by a warranty of up to 10 years against manufacturing defects. The client wanted a more definitive exhaust note, so we brought in a complete Novitec exhaust system with valve controls for the car. The components include a power-optimized exhaust system with flap regulation and complete heat protection, a Novitec Switchtronic for the flap regulation and flap controls from the cockpit wirelessly. A set of catalytic replacement pipes go with the Novitec exhaust with complete heat protection. In addition, a set of black Novitec tailpipes are used to match the exhaust. This service is provided to our clients through our vehicle customization program. We're happy to oblige to all our clients' customization requests. That's it for the Ferrari 488 GTB. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share your comments below. Till the next time, goodbye.